There she is. It must be a new video day. And what can I be doing? Right, first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put one of these in the car. Not really an install video, but as some of you may know, the Mark II ST225 doesn't actually come with a spare wheel. So I'm just going to put this in the boot. Well, not really the boot, the rear of the car, as it's a hatchback. So let's get and do that first. Yeah, it's just beginning to rain. If my memory serves me right, there's a little strap in here. Pins are a little rusty, and I think maybe that's just going to fly around. There's one over here, but again, I can see the first bit of enthusiastic cornering. And it will go flying. But yeah, that's where the spare wheel well should be. I know online you can actually buy an insert or a piece of foam that goes there, and you can buy a spare wheel. But it's looking like the only location for that is inside the glove box, because I don't want it going around a car like this. So let's go and do that. It's funny, isn't it? When you open a driver's door, it makes a beep. When you open a passenger's door, silent. Right, I don't think... No. Look, a speck of glitter. How does that even happen? Perhaps if I put the cam down the side, like so. Owner's manual there. Not mentioning what these are all about. Yeah. I'll see if that makes any noise, because I do hate rattles in cars. Next up, replace the valve caps. Now, I literally bought these online for 99p, I think, with free postage. And the car is fitted. Let's close my rear hatch because it is spitting with rain. Done. Yeah, my car is fitted with these metal ones that I don't actually like, because what tends to happen is these tend to stick on. So I'm just going to replace them with basic plastic ones. Exciting stuff, I know, but let's get that done. There we go, that's all installed. As you can see, these are getting rather tatty, and that actually weighs a lot compared to the plastic one. So it's a weight saving as well, which will improve fuel economy and performance. Next up is the rear wiper blade. I'm awaiting the windscreen wiper blades. They should have actually been here on Wednesday. It's now Friday as I film this. Yeah, so I'm just going to install the rear one for the time being, and hopefully Mr. Posty will deliver my new ones. But one of the things I'm going to do is give the rear screen a quick wipe down with my cloth and some Yum glass. Well, I'm here at the rear of the car. Let's see how easy it is to show you this, but this should, in theory, maybe impossible with one hand. This part just pushes down out of that bit there. It's not overly bad, but you can see the bladed rubber is leaning to one side, which is the direction that it's travelled, so it's not folding back as such. Just check the rear one, the replacement. I mean, again, I ordered it online for something like £5. The attachment looks the same. These are fairly standard ones. The front ones are actually slide pins that are slightly different. Excuse the GoPro. But in theory, that should just slot over the top and then click in. Once in, it makes a reassuring click sound. That's on there. And I can go back on the glass. The front ones are a little bit different, as I say, because they use slide pins. Well, it's about an hour later. The postman has actually arrived. And hopefully these, because I'm not expecting any other post, are my slide-on wiper blades. So having opened the box, that's exactly what they are. I didn't go for branded ones, I just went for whatever was available, the quickest that was available. Just going to check to make sure that they are the easy fit, slide on, slide off. And they should be noted as different, yeah, because they literally have a hole for the locating pin. So I'll start with the passengers one. Lots of plastic, which obviously I will recycle because I'm a good citizen. Again, very hard to do with one hand. Look at that. Right, let's get down to the car. And as I say, right, let's put this one here. Because the sliding pin is that side, so I want to make sure. I think it doesn't actually matter. No, it doesn't. So as you will see on these, there's just a sliding pin. So all you literally do is lift them to clear the end of the clip, like so. And then they just slide off, like that. I'm going to give that a quick clean, I think. Right, quick clean is done. So let's carefully do this, as I say. Locate the hole. That slots on. That moves to that arm, and obviously once it's on the glass, it doesn't go anywhere. How neat, eh? Right, let's go and get the other one and do the big one. Right, back around the front of the car. Just remove the plastic packaging. And then let's line it up. As I say, doesn't seem to matter. They seem to be universal on both sides. Let's remove the other one. And again, let's show you. Obviously the locating pin is just there, and they get rotated like so, and then you literally just slot them off like that. I'll give this a quick wipe again and then put the new one on. Right, new blade is in my hand. As I say, locate the pin like so. slot it forward, it should run through that groove like that, rotate it around, and then it's locked by that one there. Place it back on the screen, and then the old one can go. Yeah, very quick, very straightforward. I'm left with some plastic that I'm going to recycle, and obviously some cardboard that I'm going to recycle. But yeah, very quick video with a few little jobs. But as I keep saying, it's these little things that you do to the car that just make it so much better. What you'll find is, like I say, you know, £15–25 outlay on some wiper blades. I mean, just do it when you get a new car. It's just, you know, I don't understand why people skimp. If you're going to travel or travel at speed and you want to see where you're going in the rain, important to do. Anyway, as per usual, as it does actually start to rain, thanks ever so much for watching my videos. Hopefully I'll be doing another one next week, and in the meantime I'm going to put this rubbish in the bin.